Whether you are an affiliate marketer looking to boost click-through rates, an entrepreneur selling physical or digital products, or a freelancer making money creating high converting video ads for your clients, this video is for you. The biggest bottleneck in video marketing isn't coming up with an idea. It's reshooting and starting from scratch every time a client asks for revisions, or whenever you need different formats for TikTok, YouTube, and Amazon. In this video, I will show you how to turn simple product photos into scalable, client-ready commercial ads using Flova AI. So let's see how Flova AI creates video. I will provide the link of this website in the description. Click on that and create an account, and then click on create project here. So the interface is open. Now change the project name first. Okay, now here you can see the chat option. Here on the click on this plus icon, and here you can upload your product image, audio, video, text, anything. So I'm going to create just a create product image. I'm going to create ad for this dress. Okay, so click on this. It's uploaded. Now here make sure in under models Seedance 2.5 is selected. Now write any prompt here in simple English. What do you want? Okay, so I want to, this is a vinine dress. Give as much as information you can. So now here click on this up arrow button or press Ctrl Enter. See, the storyboard is updating, creating. So this you can see storyboard is ready. You can see the key elements. Element is fashion dress, fashion model, and what settings on sunlight, studio, and warm architectural terrace. You can change anything here if you don't like. Okay, so you can see the shot under audio layer. You can see audio, only background music is there. I want commentary on this also. So here it's updating. This is very simple. You don't have to spend your credits for useless thing. So here you can see the voiceover is added. Let's see under audio layers. You can see audio fashion commentary. Okay, so the warm, elegant female voice. So script is every thread tailored to perfection, she will say in that video. Okay, so here Flova AI asking, please review the update narration plan. I am ready to create the dress and model visual once you approve it. Okay, so approved. You just have to chat with Flova AI and it will create your video. See, the model is also generated here, and the shooting location is also here. Here, please review the core visuals before create the 3 ad shot. This will keep the dress styling environment consistent throughout. Okay, so now AI is generating the assets video. So now here you can see the 3 video assets is generated, and you can review it. Here you can see, please review the clips. Once you are happy with them, I can create elegant voiceover and chic background music, then assemble the complete ad. So you can review this also here. Looks good. So you can review all the 3 assets and just click option. What would you like to do next? You can refine the runway clip, refine the final pose, anything you can refine from here. Now click on finish the ad and click on send. So now here audio is also generated for this. You can review this also.
Every thread tailored to perfection. Move with effortless grace and elegance.
Now please review the audio and I will assemble the complete vertical dress advertisement. Okay, so audio sounds good. See, the final assembly is completed. Now let's see the finished ad. Click on play.
Every thread tailored to perfection. Move with effortless grace and elegance. Discover your signature look today.
Have you noticed how the product texture and lightning remain the completely accurate to our original images? So suppose you have sent it to your client and now your client want a completely different ad here. So he want something like a Indian female model here and a completely different location. So how will you change it? Will you regenerate ad from completely start? That would be very frustrating and time consuming. So here Flova AI give this option. You can select this fashion model here, select this, and now here you can enter edit for this key element in media here. Okay, click on this control enter and wait for a few seconds. You can see here it's generating. See here an Indian model is generated. You can delete this, right click and delete this, confirm. And I want to change the location also. Click here on the more modern setting and change this also. It's a simple prompt. I want club location. See, the club location is also here. Now delete this one also. Now regenerate this ad again with this updated storyboard. Okay. So as you can see, all the assets and all the videos are generated here. You can review it again. Click here. See, looks completely different ad now. If you have to do this in real life and with real people, then you have to spend a lot of money to reshoot this ad again. So now please review the refresh clicks. Once approved, I will resample them with the existing voiceover and okay. So okay. Now you can see your timeline is updated with new ad. Let's see the ad.
Every thread tailored to perfection. Move with effortless grace and elegance. Discover your signature look today.
So now suppose your client don't want vertical video, your client want landscape video, means 16:9 ratio. He want ad for YouTube videos, okay, long form videos. So what you will do, just write the prompt here. Again 3 fashion clip video will be generated here. So you can see horizontal video is generated. How easy it is, and just approve it. See, now your timeline is updated. So your completely different ad 16:9 ratio video is generated. Video ad is generated. Now let's see.
Every thread tailored to perfection. Move with effortless grace and elegance. Discover your signature look today.
See how beautiful this ad is looking. If you have to shoot this ad in real life, you have to spend a lot of money and time to shoot this ad. But here on Flova AI, it is completely easy. So whether you are scaling an affiliate site, launching products, or running an ad agency, Flova AI gives you complete control over your video production pipeline. Use my link in the description to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits when someone registers through your invite link. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more AI workflows. Thank you.